A Course in Miracles. Workbook for Students. Part 2, Section 2. What is salvation?
Hi there. How about we take a moment to reflect on the real goal of this course in our lives? Would you like to dive deeper into understanding salvation and its power to lead us back to happiness and peace? Well, let's delve into the section What is Salvation and uncover its message.
What is salvation?
Salvation is a solid promise from God. He assures us that someday we'll find our way back to Him. It's a promise that won't be broken. This very promise also tells us that time, as we know it, will end. Along with all the fleeting thoughts that have been born in time and come and go with time. For all those who feel burdened by thoughts of conflict and separation, God's comforting word will step in to replace those thoughts of conflict with the thought of peace. Interestingly, the moment our minds started entertaining thoughts of conflict, God quickly gifted us with the thought of peace. Before that, there was no need for the thought of peace. Peace was something that merely was, without any opposition. However, when our minds felt split or divided, they needed some healing. This healing was provided by the very thought of peace from God. And the thought of peace became a part of us, and part of every fragment of the mind that still was one, but forgot the awareness of its oneness. That was when our mind didn't know itself and lost its own identity. That's when we felt disconnected from our true self. The beauty of salvation is its simplicity. Salvation is undoing in the sense that it does nothing. It doesn't add to the noise or illusions, it just does not support the world of dreams we see. Salvation lets illusions go. By not supporting these dreams and illusions, salvation lets them just fade away and go down to dust. And when dreams and illusions are gone, what's left? What remains is what they were covering, an altar to the holy name of God, a beautiful reminder of God and His love, where we can lay the gifts of our forgiveness. Let's go daily to this holy place, and spend some time together with God and the Holy Spirit. In this holy place we can share a dream. That's our final dream. It's a joyous vision, free from sorrow, a happy dream with a hint of all the glory God has given us. The grass is growing through the soil, the trees are budding now, and birds have come to live within their branches. Earth is being born again in a new perspective. It looks fresh and bright. Darkness is gone, and we're all here, we have come together in the light. From this holy place we send out our powerful message of salvation to everyone. We are actually giving salvation to the whole world, because it is from this place that salvation can be understood, embraced and received. Our joyous message tells everyone that freedom is here, that time is almost over, and we only have a short wait until the full remembrance of our Father is restored. We let go of all dreams, eternity has shined the world away and only heaven now exists at all. Isn't this simply heartwarming? Can you feel a sense of peace just thinking about this holy place inside all of us, that we talked about here in this video? Remember, this is one of those special instructions mentioned in the introduction to the second part of the workbook for students, one of those special instructions that will punctuate our daily lessons from here to the end of the course. As we proceed to lessons 231 through 240, let's keep this concept of salvation in mind until the next concept is introduced. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you again for lesson 231.
If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. Thanks. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. There's a new lesson every day.